Question 12. A basketball player makes her free throws 55% of the time. What is the probability that she will make both of her next 2 free throws? Express your answer as a common fraction. So she makes her free throws 55% of the time. So we can draw ourselves a probability tree diagram. So the probability that she gets her first basket is 55%. And this will be 45% as a no. This is for the first basket. Now, we're only interested in when she does it because we're looking at what's the probability of her scoring 2. So we're just looking at this tree here, although we could go to the bottom one as well. The probability will be the same. All free throws, she has a probability of 55%. As I say, you can do it here as well, and it would be 55 and 45 again. In order to find the probability of both of them being a yes, we have to take 55% multiplied by 55%. So to make the math easier, what I'm going to do is convert that into a fraction. I'm then going to simplify this 55. I'm going to divide numerator and denominator by 5, which gives me 11 over 20 multiplied, but these are the same thing. 11 over 20, which gives me 121 over 400. And that is the fraction that describes the probability.